the fuck was...
What is that?
Some fucking guest who's being an ass and, needs to get booted. I just muted him for me, but you guys probably need to mute him for yourselves. It's Laser. Now it's John Storm. Just mute him.
That is annoying.
Just mute him.
How do you boot somebody?
I did mute him.
You can't boot him unless you have administrative privileges. Rude.
Dude, grow up.
It's a bot. It's not even a person.
Why do people do that? It's stupid.
I don't know.
Are we not locked down with the password, or did they just crack it or something?
They're cracking it.
Well, it sounds like we need to change our password.
Guys, I'm gonna disconnect. This is just annoying.
Yeah, I'm totally just gonna log off for a little bit. Have fun.
Go fuck yourself, you immature piece of shit.
Oh, what the fuck?
What the hell?
What the hell was that? A test the emergency broadcasting system or something?
I don't know. I heard it halfway across the room. I was trying to do a
like.
bio.
Ted, John Storm, are you a noob or something? I mean, that shit's just uncalled for.
His mic might be broken too. Yep, his mic's broken.
Oh, that sucks.
Hey Ted, something's going on with your Ventrilo there?
Yeah, his mic's screwed up.
Hey, you mind hopping in the Ventrilo chat real quick? You say your ports aren't configured. Don't understand. What do you mean? You talking about your actual Ventrilo port, your mic port? Does it work at all? Can you say anything? I don't think it's a port issue. It sounds like it's just oh yeah, you got too much gain coming in. Let's see if we can fix that real quick. Are you running XP or Vista? Let's check out your Ventrilo setup real quick. If you don't mind, click Setup. So under Setup, there's nothing under Line. You don't even see microphone. What do you mean? What happened earlier? Speaker wire. You having problems with your speaker wire? I'm not sure. Is there a problem? Are you using a new microphone or is it an old microphone? Or?
Okay.
Okay, I can hear you. You're still kind of coming in loud. Under Setup, what is your outbound on? Should be under Amplifiers. Drop it down to about 3 and hit OK and say something.
Yeah.
Alright, you're still a bit loud, but you're a whole lot better than you was. Under Line Volume, well, what is that set on? It's just line volume's about halfway. Turn that down about 1/3 the way.
Oh,
hit
shit.
OK and say something.
Oh my god.
Loud and clear. You can, I'll throw you back up to the Age of Conan lobby.
He has to have so many of whatever it was.
I don't like people who are lucky enough to be invited along asking for stuff.
Everybody hear Ted okay? Ted, you mind saying something?
Yeah.
Does everybody hear him okay?
Yeah.
Sorry, say again.
Sorry, man, I have Yeah, man, sorry, I have headphones, and that was just blasting in my ear.
Just then?
Nah, earlier on.
Oh yeah, it was very loud, but should be good to go now. I'm gonna hop down and chit chat with Retro real quick.
Took out my brand new headphones.
Alright, I better get that son of a bitch. Excuse my language.
Yeah, get him. Please.
He keeps changing his name.
That's alright. I'm gonna pull his IP address. So he's been popping is an iron-fisted warrior, gentleman, necro wizard, and heavy weapons guy, correct?
Yes.
At least.
Alright. He will no longer bother you guys ever again.
Think he'll. Until he changes his IP.
He'll have to contact his ISP to do that. And I'm fixing to do some reverse lookups and find out where he's from.
Good. Maybe we can find out what guild he's in, even.
Find out where he lives and beat the shit out of him.
Yep.
Go tie him down and we can all stand around his bed, get right in his face, and scream. Wah! So how do you like that, bitch?
I think this is the same cocksucker that I banned a long time ago. Showing up, let me do some more research. Right now it looks like he's using. I'll try to contact them first thing tomorrow. I'm not sure how strict they are on abuse policies, but I'll talk to somebody.